Can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay, so please understand, I am on another reservation right now.
Okay,
And
I will call back.
no. You don't have to call back. I'm just letting you know that he's late. The other person's like really
Okay.
late. So I have you right now, and I
Yeah.
stay with you. If the other person calls, then I jump over. But
Okay,
right
I
now,
will call
you and
back.
I.
Okay, I will put in reservation to you.
Okay, but we can
Okay,
talk
thank you.
now. We can talk now.
Sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay. We're totally fine right now. I just wanted to let you understand that I'm on another reservation, but they haven't called. So you and I are okay. Yeah. Okay, cool.
When you call, you can back to
Yeah.
talk with them.
Okay. Thank you very much for getting back. And I think maybe there was some sort of a connection issue on your end, maybe.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good. I'm happy to see you. I'm just so sorry about this connection problem.
How is going?
It's good. It just started raining. Right now, it just started raining. But
how is Thailand?
It's.
Are you in Bangkok now?
Yes,
right now?
I'm in Bangkok, and it's raining right now, but a little sunny. It just now, right? I talked to you. It started raining here, but a little bit, no problem.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. So, how are you today? What are you doing?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, good going on. I am in Dubai. Last time we are talked with them last couple of weeks before.
Okay, and you say Dubai?
Yeah.
Okay. How's the weather in Dubai? Kind of hot?
Yeah, no, very hot. You know the.
Always hot in Dubai.
Yes.
I tell.
That time is very hot. Is summer.
Yeah, but
Are you from US?
San Francisco.
San Francisco.
San Francisco, California.
What are you doing in Bangkok? Are you in tourist guide? Looking before the tourist guide.
Oh, tourist guide. I'm not hearing guide. Tour guide, tour leader. I am a tour leader for Indochina, for Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam.
In South Asian country, all.
Yes, I run trips all through.
How is the job?
Yeah. It was really good. It was really good. Yeah. But now COVID.
Now the corona pandemic, you not moved anywhere. You staying in home.
Now corona and you and me here. That's what's happening now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, you are an artist. I think.
I'm an actor.
Actor. In drama?
Yeah.
Or in film?
Film, TV commercial, live performance, drama, stage, theater.
Advertising also? Advertising, TV commercial, acting?
I've done many TV commercials and some small independent films and 2 Indian movies for India too. I have no idea. No idea. They come here.
That one Hindi or English? Which language is that one?
The last one I think was in English. I think it was a couple, a young lover romantic movie, I think. And the main star, the guy and the girl, they were right around me, but the girl came and sat with me, and something happened, and the guy come and take her away. So just something. The Indian movie's small part, except for the one movie, it was like almost like a Terminator type movie, and I'm driving the big truck and crashing around the streets, and we shoot that here in Bangkok.
You acting the short movement only, not big.
Well, the first one, I'm driving a big truck and I'm out with 2 guys on motorcycle, have the fight out. Yeah.
Wow.
And yeah, but I don't know what these movies are because big production, the casting agent, John, you come audition. Yeah, of course. So I go, the Indian director, yeah, okay, he's fine. I go to the shoot. I don't know what I'm doing. They just have me dressed in my normal black clothes. And then, okay, you're going to come here. You stand here. What am I doing? I mean, that's the Indian movie.
The shooting were in Thailand or
No,
in
we
India?
all shot everything here in Bangkok. Yeah,
Bangkok,
just
everything.
short time.
Sure.
You know, but most of the film I do is like the small independent films. I'll show you the movie poster, the one I just
Are you
do.
Laos?
I'm sorry?
Are you went there Laos? Vietnam,
Yeah,
Laos.
Cambodia. Yep, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia. Very beautiful.
Therefore, the tour beautiful
I
city.
like it. I like it. This is the movie poster. I just finished this movie.
Wow.
Yeah, this is
Very
a
I
yeah,
saw that.
it's a murder mystery, and I play the detective.
Mhm.
Yeah, we just finished that a couple weeks ago. Yeah, but Lau, yeah,
When it will be
I'm
released?
sorry.
When it will be released that
Oh, when
movie?
will we release the movie? I'm not sure. They're still editing. They're editing the movie right now.
Yeah.
So maybe
Mhm.
maybe 1-2 more months.
What is your role in that
I
movie?
am the detective. Yep.
Detector. You are a detector.
Detective.
The
It's
big
a
role.
murder mystery.
Yeah.
Detective.
The Hollywood movie or
It's a small independent film, and it will go to the film
yeah.
festivals. They'll travel to different film
Mhm.
festivals, and the director will hope he gets the big money to make a bigger movie. Yeah.
Yeah. He will
Yeah,
try.
that's what all the people do at the film festivals. They bring their movie and hope the big producer,
Yes.
somebody sees it and then gives them big money.
Now started the film industry in Bangkok. The corona pandemic
They're
lockdown are
starting to
finished.
shoot now. Yeah, more productions are starting to happen, mostly local, all local Bangkok production. But before
Mhm.
coronavirus, many different companies come and shoot here in Bangkok.
Yeah. How is now the corona pandemic in Bangkok is
Not
now
so bad.
better?
Not so bad here. It has gotten better, but
Yes.
we can travel anywhere in Bangkok. I mean, in Thailand, we can
Mhm.
fly in Thailand anywhere, but we cannot leave the country.
Are you moved to
I'm
US?
from the US. I don't live there. My home here.
Yeah. Living in how long
Oh,
been
how
living in
long have I
Thailand?
been here? First time I come here is 1990, 30 years ago. 30
99.
years ago,
Wow.
I come here, but I've had this room since 2013.
Now you are a home
This
country
is my
in
home
Thailand,
country.
Bangkok.